War of Nature newborn moth colony versus ant troop epic survival battle. Witness a fierce battle in the wild as a colony of newborn moths faces an organized army of ants. The moths use a white ant repellent powder to repel the ants. A raw moment of the fight for survival, instinct, and the cruel balance of nature captured up close. Don't miss this dramatic battle in the microcosm. If you love rare wildlife moments and raw nature action, this video is for you. Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing microworld footage.